one time the IDC had minus towards its credit of running into the red as far as funds are concerned, more than 200. We have got a system now where the prime plots or areas where we can actually auction by a very transparent process, we are auctioning the plots. And the response that we are getting basically proves at very high rate people are ready to buy. Now if nobody wants to set up industry in Goa, nobody wants to set up shop in Goa as is being projected, why is that people are choosing to come even via the auction route paying very high rates? That is the preference for Goa. Somehow there is a misconception in Goa that only tourism of course also is an industry, but only tourism runs it. We cannot forget that besides mining and the pharmaceutical companies, there are many companies which are doing very well in Goa and many more want to come, Speaker Sir. Today if you look at the other states, they are offering so many incentives. They are literally giving land for free. In our own neighborhood, in Maharashtra, across the border, they are literally inviting people at the least cost, almost no cost. And here people are paying a premium to come and set up industry. One cannot forget whether it is for industry or for other purposes. Goa is a great brand name, made in Goa. Made in India is becoming a great name thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. But made in Goa also is a great brand name, and that's why people want to set up shop. We have different type of industry here, even manufacturing sophisticated parts. And I always quote this example. I want to tell this August House as well. Kainoko company led by our local Goan Sardesai. Today he supplies parts for all the aircraft companies, and including space agencies as well. Does not this speak for our manufacturing prowess? Does this not prove that we have reached of age as far as manufacturing is concerned? Our industry and manufacturing sector has certainly progressed,